Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers also pray for me. I hope you're getting my latest videos. So today bring some special beautiful crochet doll, amigurumi doll free ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade printing variety, beautiful ideas, mind-blowing pattern. Very nice, beautiful ideas. Most demanding crochet collection. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crochet pattern. Very nice. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, handmade knitting variety, beautiful ideas, crochet free pattern. Some are simple and some are beautiful, decorative with crochet flower ideas. Very nice, beautiful ideas, most demanding crochet collection. Follow my channel. Good comment in comment section and you can ask me in comment section what do you want next more about crochet collection. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. Okay viewers, now you have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.